Checking into a hotel in English can be stressful if you don't know the right words. Today we fix that. When you arrive at a hotel, do you know what to say?
Honestly, that's where a lot of learners freeze.
So today we give you the exact phrases native speakers actually use.
Let's do it.
Welcome to Real English Podcast. Today's topic, at the hotel. You'll learn 10 practical phrases you can use immediately, each with a real example. These are the words and expressions you'll actually hear and need in this situation.
Knowing them means you'll understand what's said to you and respond with confidence.
1. I have a reservation. Say this first at the front desk.
Hi, I have a reservation under Garcia.
2. Check in or check out. Check in on arrival. Check out when you leave.
What time is checkout? Can I check in early?
3. A double room. Know your room types. Single, double, twin.
I booked a double room with a city view.
4. Is breakfast included? A key question to ask.
Is breakfast included in the rate?
5. Could I get a wake-up call? Ask for services politely.
Could I get a wake-up call at 7, please?
Quick review so far. I have a reservation. Check in or check out. A double room. Is breakfast included? And could I get a wake-up call? 5 more coming up. 6. The Wi-Fi password. You'll need this everywhere.
Could you give me the Wi-Fi password?
7. Extra towels or pillows. Requesting more of something.
Could we get some extra towels, please?
8. Is there room service? Ordering food to your room.
Is there room service this late?
9. Late checkout. Ask to leave later than usual.
Would a late checkout be possible?
10. Can I leave my luggage? After checkout, before you go.
Can I leave my luggage here until this evening?
Let's practice with a short role play. I'll play one side, you respond.
Ready.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I have a reservation under Silva.
Here's your key card. Checkout is at 11.
Thanks. Would a late checkout be possible?
Of course, until 1 o'clock. Anything else?
Yes. Could you give me the Wi-Fi password?
See how natural it sounds when you have the right phrases ready? Today's 10 phrases for at the hotel. I have a reservation. Check in or check out. A double room. Is breakfast included? Could I get a wake-up call? The Wi-Fi password. Extra towels, pillows. Is there room service? Late checkout. Can I leave my luggage? Practice these before you're in the situation, so they come out automatically.
Confidence comes from preparation, and now you're prepared.
Which of these will you use first? Tell us in the comments, in English.
And if this was useful, subscribe for practical English every week.
Thanks for listening to Real English Podcast. See you in the next episode.